to be like those who chase the sky, who ride wild horses as the dark winds fly. Their torches flare like burning golden hair, a blazing light that dances through the air. Up front I stand as in a drifting boat, my body tall, a flag that rides the road. The night is deep, but on my brow a flame, a golden helm that flickers wild untamed. The houses kneel, the streets all twist and bow, the city's bones are bending even now. The squares pull back, we chase them down in vain. Our horses rush like thunder, like the rain. Behind me ride 10 men all wrapped in black. The restless helms flash bright, then fade to crack. Like glass they gleam, then dim to golden blinds. They shift and change like echoes left behind. And by my side a trumpet calls the way. It screams and bursts, it tears the night to shreds. It carves a path through empty black that spreads, and through we race like dreams that cannot stay. The houses kneel, the streets all twist and bow, the city's bones are bending even now. The squares pull back, we chase them down in vain. Our horses rush like thunder, like the rain. The houses kneel, the streets all twist and bow, the city's bones are bending even now. The squares pull back, we chase them down in vain. Our horses rush like thunder, like the rain.